Addition by visual acuity subjective method, right? How we can find out? Simply as we perform the distance retinoscopy, this is okay. Now give the patient hand. Now give the patient the near target, right? And then you can put binocularly or monocularly the plus lens, right? When the patient see the smallest letter is make it visible after putting your plus lens, this is the addition value. Normally we can use in the clinical practice because this is, I think, most reliable practice. So mostly people use this one. Just simply give the patient target according to their customary distance, and you as a practitioner you can just put the plus lens monocularly or binocularly. When the patient see or make this target visible, that target or that value which makes the near distance is visible means this is the additional value. Normally most of the clinician perform this one. Never it is possible to you follow all the procedure of the one particular patient. You can or basically practitioner follow one or two procedure, right? Or all procedure never give the same result of the one patient or more than one patient. It might be getting fluctuated. Before going to put or prescribe the addition value, you have to just focus one or two point. First one is give the addition lens or addition power according to patient complaint, right? Means what patient want or which type of vision patient want. Sometimes patient want just near target or near vision, sometimes patient want near but broad view, right? So according to you, you have to prescribe the additional lens according to their visual demand. Suppose shopkeeper, they need a near vision but they need broad near vision, so you have a choice to prescribe the executive bifocal, right? If the patient simply need near vision not broad spectrum, then you can simply give the D, right? Or a lot of format of bifocal is present in the market which helps you to make the patient happy according to their customary visual distance. So as a practitioner you have to justify all these things. Sometimes patient complain the vision is getting good as day passed, means morning is difficulty but after day means they have an incipient presbyopia, right? So this is the some term you can relate with your regular practice life and you can evaluate or assess the better performance of your practice. So